Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the battery from a Lincoln MKC. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your engine is off and the parking brake is engaged. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection to shield yourself from potential hazards. Position your vehicle on a level, stable surface, clear of any moving traffic. Have your tools ready, including a 10mm wrench, an 8mm socket, and a ratchet, to make the process smooth and efficient. Now let's disconnect the battery cables. Open your hood and locate the battery, usually on the driver's side. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen the bolt on the negative or black battery cable. Gently twist and pull the cable off the terminal, making sure it doesn't contact any metal. Next, loosen and remove the positive or red battery cable in the same careful manner. This order is crucial for electrical safety. With the cables disconnected, it's time to remove the battery itself. You might need to remove an air duct or the air filter housing to gain full access. Next, find the battery hold-down clamp or bracket, often secured by 1 or 2 bolts, and loosen it completely. The battery is quite heavy, typically weighing around 30 to 40 pounds, so lift it carefully. Once removed, take a moment to clean any corrosion from the battery tray using a wire brush. To install your new battery, carefully lower it into the cleaned battery tray. Secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp or bracket to prevent movement. Now, connect the positive or red battery cable first, tightening its bolt securely. Then, attach the negative or black cable and tighten it. Reinstall any air ducts or components you removed earlier. Finally, start your Lincoln MKC to confirm everything is working correctly, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.